UNICEF says millions of children in Tigray out of aid reach. 6 people killed in car crash in eastern Uzbekistan. Prime Minister of Pakistan reiterates Pakistan's steadfast support for Afghan peace process. India Supreme Court suggests government delay farm laws. WHO says Beijing welcome COVID-19 investigator trip to China. UN official calls for more international attention on South Sudan. Turkey will not step back on S-400 missile system despite US sanction. Alarm bells ring again at UN over humanitarian crisis in Syria.